In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable virtual reality settings in Google Chrome. We'll walk through this process step by step to make sure your browser is all set up for a thrilling virtual reality experience. So, let's get started. First things first, you want to ensure you're using the latest version of Google Chrome. Updating your browser is crucial because it not only gives you access to new features like virtual reality, but also keeps your browsing experience secure and efficient. To do this, open Chrome and click on the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of the screen. If there's an update waiting, you'll usually see a prompt here to apply it. Once updated, you're good to go. Now that our browser is running the latest version, let's move on to the next step: accessing the settings menu. Again, click on that three-dot menu, and this time, select Settings from the drop-down list. This will open up a new tab where you can adjust various Chrome preferences and configurations. Once you're in the Settings menu, draw your attention to the left-hand side where you'll find Privacy and Security. Clicking on this option will open up more settings related to your privacy, and more importantly for us, your permissions. Under this section, you'll spot Site Settings. Click on it, and it will reveal more detailed controls over what different sites can access when you visit them. Now the next step is to navigate your way to the Permissions section. Here, you'll see an array of settings that govern what websites can utilize, from your location to your camera and more. You'll need to scroll down until you find an option labeled Additional Permissions. Within these additional permissions lies our feature of interest: virtual reality. Once you've located virtual reality in this list, click on it to access its settings. What you're looking for is the toggle switch labeled Virtual Reality. Make sure this switch is turned on. By activating this feature, you're giving websites the ability to offer you VR content, provided they support it. And there you have it. Just like that, you've enabled virtual reality on your Google Chrome browser. This might seem like a simple setting change, but it opens up a whole new world of content ready for you to explore. Whether you're diving into immersive games, engaging in virtual tours, or experiencing new styles of storytelling, enabling virtual reality on your browser enhances your digital experience remarkably. As always, keep your browser updated, stay curious, and enjoy all the VR content now at your disposal. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using technology to its fullest. Thanks for watching, and happy surfing.